Here's how to make your Roblox voice chat louder. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to increase your Roblox voice chat volume, you need to first turn on voice chat. Open your Roblox application or go to your Roblox website, log into your account, then tap on the more icon and then go to settings. From here, you need to go to privacy and content restrictions. After that, you need to go to communication and here you'll see the option of voice chat. Make sure that the enable microphone option is toggled on. And once you've done that, you need to go ahead and open any game that you want to. Let's go ahead and open Dress to Impress. Once you're inside any game, press ESC key on your keyboard and then go to settings. Then go to volume, which you will find below the output device option, and increase your volume according to your preference. And if you're on PC, you can adjust device volume as well. Right click on the speaker icon in the bottom, and then there you will see the option of sound settings. Go ahead and open sound settings and make sure that the master volume is increased and set to 100. So now you can open Roblox settings and then voice and then click on microphone. Make sure that the input volume is high and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.